beautiful people. I'm Ogbebor and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this roasted plantain without an oven. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll go ahead to wash my ripe plantain till it is very clean. Where are the students in the building? Come, let me show you the easiest way to make this roasted plantain from the very comfort of your home. So if you don't have an oven, don't worry, I have your back covered. So next I'll go ahead to peel the back and we'll go over to the next step. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, share this video to your friends and loved ones, and let's continue. So next I'll be cutting this into two and I'll still cut it in two equal parts. Okay, so you can decide to leave yours whole, like not cutting it, it will still come out okay. I have a recipe like this on the channel, and that very one, they keep asking me, if you don't have foil paper, can you still do it? Oh yes, you can. So here is the one without foil paper, and the result was amazing. Next I'll place in the ripe plantain in my non-stick pan and I will heat it up a bit. You can still use a pan that is not non-stick and it will come out amazing too. But make sure you are doing it on a very low heat and you are flipping it at intervals so it wouldn't get burned. So you continue to flip it over and over till you are satisfied with your result, like till it is done. So this is how far mine was and it was okay. The result was amazing. I'd love you to try this recipe and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. Please share to your friends and loved ones. So if there are some burnt parts, you can use a knife to peel it off or you use your hands. So I'll cover it still for a few minutes and after that, voila, this is my result. It came out so good. So I paired mine with peanuts. You can pair yours with whatever you want and I'll see you in my next video.